Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some news about the market. Also, I'm gonna share with you my analysis, my personal analysis about markets. They're all my thoughts, all my opinion. There is no any investment advice. So if we agreed on it, let's move on. So what happened today? Today, as you see, there is have consumer income data, and we are expecting it positive. So it might affect good, but there's a Fed. That's why I cannot say any sure things. So we'll see it. And another news: Trump raised U.S. tariffs on South Korea again, up to 25%. She increased 25%. We used it that news, but so we are just expecting the other countries what's gonna happen, and I believe they're waiting their own time too. So let's move the other one because today have more important things as Fed tomorrow. I mean, Fed. Our next news is SEC and CFTC rescheduled their conference. They supposed to make it, but there's have some problem as air condition problem in United States. That's why they just postpone it. They had to postpone it. Actually, it was good signal for market, but it might be better because tomorrow have Fed, and when there's a Fed, market makes so volatile. So maybe after 2 days, it may give better sign for us. So our next news is Japan. Japan is, in everywhere those days because they had some election, they had some other news, and it's totally affecting Bitcoin. One time they made some, interest issue past years, it affect Bitcoin so sharply. And now Japan is tries to intervene in yen, and this is kind of problem because when they attended like 1 years ago, Bitcoin dropped down like 30%, and it's really huge for Bitcoin. It's not like small things. This is just all so far. Let's see what's gonna happen. Maybe they can change their idea. I hope so, but as I told you, tomorrow have fast, so let's focus on it and just pray for it to not happen. And another news is strategy buys like a lot of coins. He bought more than 2,900 Bitcoin last week and total over 712k according on X post. And it's really huge. When they are making that investment, it's good for us because this is very big company. If they are holding that Bitcoin with the average price, we're gonna know at the future, even Bitcoin drop down, it will not drop that hard because this company is very big. Nobody want to make some cost to this company, basically like that. So what happened in crypto then? I can say it. Let me delete it first because now we don't need that, and I will push them like that. In total market cap, it's made some break up, and I'm thinking positive. If there is no Fed, I would think more positive, but even though it's okay, it's gonna rise till this is our first station, 3.15 trillion, but of course there's have Fed, there will be some zigzag movement, and it might work with inverse head and shoulders. As I told you yesterday, we're gonna wait till see some move, but I can say kind of positive. Yes, there might be some volatile in market, but that's still okay. So about others, let's look at the altcoins. It's also makes similar things as before, but the problem is in altcoin, as you see, the price rising but candle getting smaller, and before that important resistance. I hope it can make some strong breakup, but we'll see it. So about gold, As I told you yesterday, it will actually, if you remember my yesterday, I give you from here, because I told you it might, even I have this zigzag over here, it will make some, drop till that level, again it will rise. So I'm still expecting some rise till 5k, 5,280, 79, like that. And yes, after drop of this stop loss, or I can say even that line, it will make some huge drops. But the things, this is will decide this, if gold make any lower high, lower than previous high, it will drop down, then this position might be cancelled, but so far that's okay. And yes, as I told you, yes, yesterday or one day before, yesterday I guess, I don't remember, anyway, it's just couple days ago I gave you that position, and as you see, it's just take one day. When it's, let's say it start the position over here, it's one day, yes, it gave straight away 12% profit. And after it dropped down again the level that I chose, because I did choose, it, and it rise again. Now to again make some investment on silver, I can say that silver must reach over 121. So if it reach that level, after, if it break up 120, I can open a position again, another 12%. So I can say if it decided to break up 120, I can open position from 121 to 136. Yes, but of course we need to observe it. If it's break up 120, then I can consider to take it. If not, I believe it's gonna might some drop down. About Bitcoin, finally we came to the Bitcoin and its dominance again. I do it in every video. Let me delete this because it's already moved over there, already used the triangle, so no need to let it waste our time. So in Bitcoin, I wanna think positive, and I wanna say it break up. Yeah, there is, I see 2 candle, that's okay, but as long as it's over that line, I can consider it as a breakup. And I still thinking positive about Bitcoin. I expecting similar head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders as others. But anyway, end of the story, I'm expecting a rise till if market goes well. I mean, if Fed, keeps stable their interest rate, I expect there is some rise till 92k to 98. Let me make it like this, it's better. Yes. Yes. So if Bitcoin decided to rise, it will reach 92 at the first, after 98. After it will be, channel, and we will see. If it break up, that time we can consider it. Ethereum still goes same way as I told you, inverse head and shoulders. It's on some support level. We need to wait for a while. If it's make some breakup, that time we can consider open some position. And BNB is still inside of my position. It's already give 1.68. That's okay, it's with leverage, it. It still have some way to go, but as you see, it's going well, so let's wait for a while. And let me delete it, because if it's break up, we can open again new position. It's old position anyway. Bitcoin Cash, yes, as I told you, there is have two bottom formation, and I believe that it will reach that level. It will come 607 and it will hit the target, but it still needs some time, so just keep it. Solana not goes well, not doing anything, and also it's still, I cannot say this is a break up, to be honest. It is, but it's just 2 weeks, so let's see. I'm just skip the Solana. And yes, that's the good news. Let me just pull them little like that. Yes. As I told you yesterday, if it break up this line, it will reach 2.01. When it reach, it will give us 10% profit. I still believe it, and I'm expecting some sharply movements on XRP. So, and XLM. This is a sister of or brother of XRP, but I will give you two things about it. So first, if it rise, because right now there will be unsure market, if it rise, I can say, oops, it will make some, I don't understand, guys, what's wrong with this trading view. I'm clicking it when I trying to pass it, it's not happen, but anyway, it's like that always. So 0.2222 like that when you called it is funny, and I expect some rise till 0.25, so 5% is okay. Even I can consider, yeah, that's okay. So, but there is the things, if XLM, yes, if XLM drop down, there is also short position. So in both way we're gonna earn. Let me press it. If XLM drop down on, let me make it like that for God's sake, 19, yes, that's okay. And yes, here, and this time let's make it 8 is okay. But if it's gonna drop down, it will give 8% is huge. I don't mind, but it's okay. I will open with leverage anyway, so as long as I will know that if it drop down I will earn, if it rise I will earn again. Just let me be sure about this stop loss. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so let's leave my babies like that. But guys, tomorrow there is have Fed, as I said you 20 times in this video, so it's better to wait to make some trade. I mean tomorrow. Today I can see those trades for myself, for none of you, just for myself. But of course tomorrow will be some volatile in market. Just watch out while making some trade and wait till my video comes up. See you tomorrow.